To know the ocean is to know some mind-boggling numbers. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by seawater. All that liquid takes up more than 332,519,000 cubic miles, or 1,386,000,000 cubic kilometers, of space in total. The official website of the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration says there's enough water in the ocean to fill about 352 quintillion 670 quadrillion gallon-sized milk containers. Now let's go out on a limb and assume you don't have that many spare milk jugs lying around. Here's another crazy visual. In theory, you could use the ocean to cover the entirety of the United States. Yes, that includes Alaska and Hawaii, in a column of water measuring over 82 miles, i.e., 132 kilometers, tall. It's no surprise that some of the most frequently asked questions about our ocean involve its depth. How deep is the ocean? Where's the very deepest part of it? And what's the ocean's average depth? Of course, the depth of the ocean is not uniform. It varies a great deal on the basis of geography. At any random spot on the map, the distance between the ocean floor and the water's surface up above may be influenced by canyons, undersea mountain ranges, or a host of other features. Using such tools as sonar, radar, and satellite technology, scientists have calculated that the global ocean has an average, mean, depth of approximately 12,785 feet, 3,897 meters. That works out to around 2.4 miles, or 3.8 kilometers. We can also compare different sites. A 2019 study published in the journal Earth Science Reviews used the available data and research to break down the deepest zones in each of the global ocean's 5 subregions. Here's what the authors found. The deepest point in the Arctic Ocean is a place called Malloy Hole. It's located 18,599 feet, 5,669 meters, below the surface. The deepest part of the Indian Ocean? According to the study's authors, that's probably an unnamed part of the Java Trench situated 23,917 feet, 7,290 meters, underwater. As for the Southern Ocean, which encircles Antarctica, its deepest locality can be found within the South Sandwich Trench, at a depth of 24,229 feet, 7,385 meters. With a depth of 27,585 feet, 8,408 meters, a Puerto Rico trench site known as Milwaukee Deep is the deepest part of the mighty Atlantic Ocean. But wait, you say. What about the Pacific Ocean? Fear not, we've saved the best for last. East of the Mariana Islands, a Pacific archipelago, there's a yawning underwater chasm that adventurers and science fiction writers can't get enough of. Its name is the Mariana Trench, and it contains the very deepest place in not only the Pacific, but in the entire global ocean as well, a site that's labeled on our maps as Challenger Deep. The trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean. Measuring its exact depth has proven tricky, but by a rather conservative estimate the 2019 study endorses, the seafloor here rests an incredible 35,843 feet, 10,925 meters, below the water's surface. How deep is Challenger Deep? Plenty deep. Indeed, this Pacific point is even deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The peak of that Himalayan landmark is only around 29,026 feet, 8,848 meters, above sea level. It's the movements and interactions of Earth's tectonic plates that form these extreme trenches, as well as the tallest mountains.